I mean, honestly, it's better to be safe than sorry. That's what I have to say at this point, especially when it comes to California wildfires. And there is a reason why, especially in Northern California, they're being extra careful with that. And that is because we have a very short wave trough kind of digging into the area. And I'm going to show you the activity. There's our storm tracker, and you can see the activity from the short wave trough just to the north of us. Now, it's not even in Oregon, it's in Washington right now as far as those thunderstorms go. But what's happening is as that trough digs down into the area, we're going to get some gusty conditions. And yes, we'll feel a little bit of those gusty winds this afternoon for us as well. I am expecting those winds to be a bit stronger compared to yesterday afternoon. But then as we head in tomorrow, we'll still have those northerly winds, but I'm not expecting them to be as strong. So I am expecting some gusty conditions today. And again, this is the short wave trough I was just showing you here, digging down into Northern California. But as we head into tomorrow, that ridge of high pressure is still in place. It's still in place today, actually. So we are still going to see warm temperatures, even hot temperatures for our inland locations. It's just tomorrow, it's going to warm up even more. And that's because we won't have the influence of that trough just to the north of us. So we're actually going to be cooling it down just a few degrees today for those inland spots. You probably won't notice it, but we will be a touch cooler. And then we're warming it back up into Wednesday. And then we have a major change as we head into Thursday, where temperatures are going to fall about 10 to even 25 degrees as we head into Thursday and Friday. And that is because we have this trough of low pressure that will be digging down into our area. We have a cold cut low here that will be centered right over the north of us. And that actually does look like it has a little precipitation with it. Now, it has an associated cold front with it, which means there is a chance of some showers. But right now, Friday into Saturday, it only looks like we're maybe going to squeeze a little bit of drizzle out of this, but we'll be bordering on that light rain area. So that is something we're going to continue to track for you. As we head into Sunday, we'll start to see things even out a bit. And by the time we roll into Labor Day, we're actually going to see temperatures slowly starting to warm back up. But again, those winds, look at this, right off of the water, we're going to see those winds in that 20 to 30 mile per hour range becoming stronger as we head into the afternoon, between that 30 to even 40 mile per hour range right over the water, which means gusty conditions for the southern portion of the bay around the peninsula and along the Big Sur coast. And of course, we're going to see those winds pick up in the Salinas Valley later on this afternoon as well. We do have a gale warning still in effect until 3 a.m. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots, gusts up to 45 knots, so hazardous seas for mariner. Again, if you're around the immediate coast, you're going to feel those gusty conditions with those winds right off of the water. This morning, we are seeing those low clouds for most of our coastal locations, the peninsula, down along the Salinas Valley as well. We will start to see those clouds clearing out around that 9-10 a.m. hour, and we're going to see wall-to-wall sunshine yet again today. It's going to be another beautiful day. Again, just a touch cooler compared to yesterday. If we see any low clouds, it'll be a few of them just around the Monterey Peninsula, and we'll start to see those clouds increase again through the overnight hours, but I'm not expecting them to be widespread. It's kind of going to be a rinse and repeat cycle as to what we're seeing this morning. Temperatures for you today, well, we're going to still see some very pleasant weather on the north side of the bay. Mid-70s in Capitola, 80 for Santa Cruz, but again, a little bit cooler in the Santa Cruz Mountains. We'll be in those low to mid-90s today. 70 for Davenport. As we head down the coast, we're going to see coastal temperatures in those upper 60s to mid-70s. Warmer yet, though, in Watsonville at 81, 76 in Salinas, 90 in Hollister, and we'll be in those low to mid-90s in the Santa Clara Valley. For the Monterey Peninsula, cool spot again, Pacific and Pebble Beach there, but we will see temperatures in those upper 60s to even some low 70s, so a little bit warmer for some of our coastal locations. The difference today will be those inland spots. Bradley, we are looking at temperatures in those low hundreds. We'll actually be in those upper 90s today, so that's a good example there as to where we're going to see some of those slightly cooler temperatures today. Most of the Salinas Valley will be in those 80s. We're going to see those upper 80s for the Big Sur coast and mid 80s for the Carmel Valley.